A very blessed good day, ladies and gentlemen, in the entire Philippines and the rest of the world. Welcome to LifeBox Global Incorporated, featuring our world-class game-changing product, Life Protect, powered by its hero ingredient, the sea buckthorn, and its 27 other bioactive ingredients. So before we introduce to you our distinguished speaker, let me share to you let's talk about nitric oxide and our blood vessels. Alam niyo po ba na ang average na tao sa liit nating ito ay may napakahabang ugat na kapag pinagduktong-duktong ay kayang-kayang ikutan ng 2.5 beses ang mundo. Amazing, isn't it? Our blood vessels o ang ating napakahabang ugat produces its own nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a gas in your body makes naturally, and this nitric oxide is called the messenger molecule, or better known as the molecule of life. When nitric oxide cuts its supplies in just few seconds, a human being will die instantly. Kung sa oxygen, pwede tayong umabot ng ilang minuto bago mamatay, pero sa nitric oxide, ilang segundo lang po, tigok kaagad ang tao pag siya po ay kinapos o kinulang ng supply ng nitric oxide. So this is the great importance of nitric oxide to our blood vessels. Nitric oxide commands the smooth muscle in our vessel walls to relax, to dilate, para ito'y bumuka, mag-open wide for more blood flow, better oxygen delivery, and lower blood pressure. That is why nitric oxide is called a natural vasodilator o pampabuka ng ating ugat. Para sa ating mga nerves o mga ugat, ang nitric oxide ay umaakto bilang neurotransmitter, helps nerve cells signal to each other. It is important for memory, pain signaling, and nerve function. Now let's talk about sea buckthorn and nitric oxide. Sea buckthorn is that orange berry packed with antioxidants, flavonoids, vitamin C, vitamin E, and omega-7. Research suggests a few ways it might support nitric oxide production as follows. Number 1, antioxidants protect nitric oxide. Nitric oxide gets broken down fast by free radicals, but sea buckthorn's flavonoids antioxidants can neutralize those free radicals so that nitric oxide lasts longer in our blood vessels and nerves. Pag idadissect nyo po, halimbawa po ay idadissect nyo ang ating ugat. Ang ating pong ugat ay may tinatawag na endothelial lining. Yung pong endothelial lining natin, yung po ang nagpo-produce ng natural nitric oxide. At ayon po sa mga pag-aaral, nakakatulong po ang sea buckthorn. Ano po? Nakakatulong din po ang still about endothelial function. Some animal and small human studies show that sea buckthorn extracts improves endothelial function. The endothelium is the lining of blood vessels that makes nitric oxide. Healthier endothelium is equal to a better nitric oxide production. So most evidence right now is lab studies like animal and human trials that sea buckthorn is more like supporting your body's own system. The bottom line is that nitric oxide is crucial for circulation and nerve signaling. That is why nitric oxide is called the molecule of life, as a natural vasodilator or natural pampabuka ng ugat. Sea buckthorn is nutrient-dense berry with antioxidants, natural nitric oxide production in blood vessels and nerves. Nitric oxide is a tiny gas molecule your body makes naturally. So you can think of it as a messenger or a natural vasodilator. So ano ba ang ginagawa pa nito? Sa ating blood vessels tells that the smooth muscle in your vessel walls to relax, that widens them for better blood flow to help keep blood pressure in check. So this is why nitric oxide is called a natural vasodilator, or the molecule of life. For our nerves, it acts as a neurotransmitter, and the nerve cells use it to send signals to each other. For our immune system, nitric oxide helps white blood cells fight bacteria and viruses. Cibactorn, let's talk about cibactorn and nitric oxide. Cibactorn, or Hippope rhamnoides, is that bright orange berry that may help produce more nitric oxide. About antioxidants, it is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin E, flavonoids, and polyphenols, and this protects the nitric oxide your body already makes. So nitric oxide breaks down fast if there's a lot of oxidative stress, but with Cibactorn, with its high concentration of antioxidant, the nitric oxide in our blood vessels lasts longer. So about endothelial function, some studies on Cibactorn oil extract showed improved endothelial function and how well our blood vessels lining works. So better endothelial function usually means better nitric oxide production or signaling, and Cibactorn's effect is likely indirect by reducing inflammation, oxidation, so your body's own nitric oxide works better. The bottom line is that nitric oxide is very crucial for blood flow and nerve signaling, and Cibactorn has compounds that support the system that protects nitric oxide. So with nitric oxide, natural production in our human body is truly amazing. We are really wonderfully and fearfully made by the Almighty God who created you and me. And we thank God with our game-changing product, Life Protect, with its hero power ingredient, Cibactorn, especially in our digital age, will supplement, upgrade, helps the production and preserves the integrity of our endothelial lining and helps in the production of nitric oxide. There you have it. And now we come to our much-awaited presentation, our product and compensation plan. Our world-class speaker, especially for our first-time guest, ay isa pong registered nurse. Siya po'y nag-graduate sa Davao Doctors Medical School. Malalim ang kanyang mithiin at tayo maging malusog, magbago ang antas ng ating buhay, ng ating mga pamilya at maging ng ating buong pamayanan. Isa po siyang icon leader, a consistent top performer in global health and wellness industry for more than 15 years. Siya po ay naging regional stock po ang ating financer. But despite of all these achievements, he is very kind, a down-to-earth person. Madara mo sa kanya ang tender loving care na gaya ng ating mga pinagmamalaking mga overseas Filipino nurses. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give our God bless you welcome to a man of integrity with a compassionate heart to serve all of us. At dahil siya ay totoong product of the product, isang walking billboard, ay mababakas natin sa kanya ang kutis ng isang mayaman at kutis ng isang celebrity na katulad ng ating iniidolo, hinahangaan na si John Lloyd Cruz. Is our LifeMax Global Incorporated Chief Marketing Officer. Here's Captain Coach Cherson Pareño.
Yes, thank you Coach Bernie Mariano for that wonderful introduction, no? Kamukha talaga ni John Lloyd, no?
Yes,
Yes,
Kap.
yes. Wow.
Agree kami dyan.
Anyway, lamang ng isang paligo.
Yeah.
All right. So once again, we'd like to welcome everyone, especially lahat ng mga leaders natin from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Welcome po. And sa lahat ng mga first-timer po natin na guest, no? Welcome po sa ating presentation, no? So welcome to LifeMax Global Presentation. Right. But before we will proceed, I would like to show you a video kung saan ipapakita natin kung ano yung mga grabing mga polusyon na na-encounter natin, and ito po yung mga talagang sanhi ng mga klaseng sakit po. Ayan. Let's watch this. Ito.
Kapag naririnig natin ang salitang polusyon, kadalasan ang naiisip natin ay maruming hangin, usok mula sa sasakyan, o kontaminadong tubig. Pero paano kung sabihin ko sa inyo? Ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay hindi lamang nasa paligid natin. Ito ay nangyayari na mismo sa loob ng ating katawan. Araw-araw, tayo ay nalalantad sa mga mapaminsalang elemento. Mula sa hangin na ating nilalanghap na may halong toxins, sa mga process na pagkain na ating kinakain, sa mga kemikal sa ating kapaligiran, at maging sa stress na ating nararanasan araw-araw. Ang lahat ng ito ay nagdudulot ng pagbuo ng tinatawag na mga siyentipiko na free radicals. Ano nga ba ang free radicals? Ang free radicals ay mga hindi matatag na molecules na sumisira sa ating malulusob na cells. Isipin ninyo sila bilang maliliit na kalaban sa loob ng ating katawan na patuloy na naghahanap ng malulusob na cells na kanilang sisirain. Ang prosesong ito ay tinatawag na oxidative stress at isa ito sa mga pangunahing dahilan kung bakit humihina ang ating katawan sa paglipas ng panahon. Ngayon, narito ang nakakabahalang katotohanan. Araw-araw tayong nalalantad sa free radicals at kapag hindi ito kayang labanan ng ating katawan, unti-unti itong naiipon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, maaari itong magdulot ng iba't ibang problema sa kalusugan tulad ng mahinang immune system, palagiang pagkapagod, maagang pagtanda, pamamaga, inflammation, problema sa puso, mataas na blood sugar, at maging malulubhang chronic diseases. Kaya naman, maraming tao ngayon ang nakakaranas ng mga sakit kahit bata pa lamang, dahil ang pinsala ay hindi agad nakikita. Ngunit ito ay nangyayari sa loob mismo ng ating mga cells. Ang totoo, ang ating katawan ay may natural na panlaban laban sa free radicals. Ito ay tinawag na antioxidants. Ngunit dahil sa modernong pamumuhay, polusyon at hindi tamang pagkain, madalas ay hindi ito sapat. Kaya napakahalaga na suportahan natin ang ating katawan sa cellular level. Hindi lamang sa paggamot ng sintomas, kundi sa pagprotekta at pagpapalakas ng ating mga cells mula sa loob. Dahil ang tunay na kalusugan ay hindi lamang nakikita sa panlabas, ito ay nagsisimula sa malusog na cells sa loob ng ating katawan. Kaya sa susunod na isipin mo ang polusyon, tandaan mo ito. Ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay ang hindi mo nakikita, ngunit tahimik na nakakaapekto sa iyong kalusugan araw-araw.
The most dangerous pollution is here, no? Isa na po dito yung ang ating environmental pollution or what we call the smog, no? Ay napaka talagang saturated. And also we have car smoke. Andiyan din po yung industrial pollution. We have also UV radiation. Then we have toxic chemicals, kasali na po doon yung mga pagkain na mga may preservatives, no? At we could say na talagang mayroong mga carcinogenic effect, no? And ito po yung isa sa pinakagrabe na pollution, no? Itong tinatawag natin na radiation or EMF or electromagnetic frequency. And lahat pong ito ay tinatawag nating mga free radicals. And according to study, 95% cause ng ating mga sanhi ng sakit, no, ay dahil po dito sa free radicals. And health impact of excessive exposure to free radicals, dahil po sa exposure po natin dito, around 65% increase of cancer in human beings. Sa katunayan, noon akala natin pag sinabi mong cancer, sakit ng mayayaman. But nowadays, kahit anong gender mo pa, yung edad mo, kahit anong edad mo, no? Whatever status yung sa kumbaga mayaman or kumbaga mahirap, talagang tinatamaan nitong cancer, no? Kaya common na talaga siya. All right? And 60% increase of stress to those who are in city areas. Around 35% increase of sterility and decreased fertility rates amongst men. 21% increase of brain tumor in children. Napaka-alarming po niyan. And around 85 to 90% increase of cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative disorder, and other chronic condition to human. Yan. And I would like to show you here documents, research studies, no, kung saan talagang pinatutuon nila na cellphone link in cancer, no. Kumbaga cellphone too much exposure to cellphone can increase possible in cancer. So ito po, 'yun. Ito po yung mga articles, no? And even the WHO, sinabi dito, cellphone use can increase possible in cancer risk. Yan. And gusto nilang mapatunayan at talagang gusto nilang i-confirm kung totoo po ba talagang merong impact yung too much exposure natin sa radiation. So, research in there's a research in Lund University in Sweden. What they do is they conducted an experiment kung saan they want to prove if may impact po ba yung exposure sa cellphone. So they use a rat, no, a guinea pig nila na rat, no, kung saan at first ang ginawa nila, iniscan yung ulo ng daga, no. As you can see, itong sa first image, no, ito po yung normal rat brain. What they do is nilagay nila sa kulungan and they put some cellphone, no? Then in calling mode, in just a matter of 2 hours dose in exposure to cellphone, iniscan nila uli yung rat's brain. And they have found out that yung normal rat brain nung na-expose sa radiation in just 2 hours, nag-shrink, no? Kumbaga, lumiit, no? Nag-shrink siya. At the same time, they have found out some signs of significant of neuronal damage. Ito po yung mga may bukol-bukol po diyan, no? And according to doc, accumulation of this will lead to brain tumor. Kaya naman napaka-delikado po talaga. So, it means if ito po ay nangyari sa rat, no? Sa rat brain, how much more po ito po ay posible ding mangyari sa human brain. Since the structural or yung structure ng human brain at saka yung rat brain are almost similar po. Kaya napaka-delikado. Okay? So, did you know children are more prone to EMR or electromagnetic radiation since they have thinner skulls? Secondly, brains are still developing. And third, 5 times chance from getting cancer in tumor, no? And alam naman po natin, no, na kahit tayo, no, mas mga parents, no, we are one of the contributory factors, no, kung saan inaalaw po natin every time na yung mga bata ay talagang kumbaga talagang nag-ano sila, no, kumbaga gustong binibigay agad, no, para hindi na magdisturbo sa atin, no, para hindi walang disturbo. What we do is they let them to use cell phones or any gadgets, no, tablets, ganyan. So, and minsan nga, no, pag kinukunan mo pa ng cellphone ay talagang nagtatantrums pa, talagang galit pa, no? Kaya talagang we are not aware na talagang may epekto po pala ito sa mga bata. Yan. Okay. So, here, no? Okay. Ipinapakita po natin dito na kung saan this is a human brain. Okay? Human brain. Okay? So, ang nangyari dito, what we have seen is ito yung the penetration rate ng radiation sa human brain. Okay? So, on this first image, as you can see, this is the brain of a 5-year-old. Yung yellow-red areas, that's indicate the thermal heating or the penetration rate of radiation to a 5-year-old brain. Yan. So, as you can see, around nasa 90 to 95% yung penetration rate sa 5-year-old. However, yung sa 10-year-old, ito po yung penetration, no? In the second image, no? Okay? Ito yung brain naman ito sa isang 10-year-old. Ang penetration rate naman ay nasa 70 to 75% po yung penetration rate. And even in adult, no? Around nasa 40 to 45%. Ayan. So, ang iba siguro dito sinasabi, ay, okay lang kasi 45%. But what we almost do, no, usually do, no, pag tumatawag tayo, lalo na pag may long calls tayo, no, talagang as we can observe, talagang napakainit, no? Minsan pag may kausap ka na matagal, talagang umiinit yung tenga mo. So what we usually do is pag mainit na yung tenga mo, no, inililipat mo sa kabilang tenga. So imagine 45% on yung sa kabilang tenga, another 45% sa kabilang tenga, almost 100% din po 'yan. Kaya naman wala pa ring ligtas. Ayan. So that's why talagang napaka alarming po nito. Ayan. But however, hindi na po natin maaalis yan dahil ito na po yung way of communication natin. We're usually using cellphone during every time may tayong gustong kausapin, no? In fact, yung mga cellphone natin na ngayon, nowadays, no? Ito na po ay naging mga wallets natin. Nandiyan na yung mga online payments, kumbaga payment gateway. We use cellphone. And even sa mga nagtatrabaho ngayon, no? They were using what? Computers, no? And kaya naman talagang wala tayong other ways, no, or other means, no? And talaga we are in the digital age. Kumbaga, we are exposed to this. So the question right now is how will you protect yourselves against these free radicals? No? Dahil alam naman natin ayaw talaga natin na magka-cancer. And nowadays talagang very alarming since talagang common na ang cancer ngayon, no? And every time minsan nga, no, mabuti pang may iwanan si Mr. o si Mrs. kaysa malimutan yung cellphone. All right, no? So kailangan talaga may cellphone, no? And to think ilang oras lang, no? Kumbaga mataas na yung isang oras mapalayo yung cellphone sa katawan po ninyo. Kaya napaka-alarming. And actually, we could wala tayong magagawa nito but ito na yung ito na yung way of ano na natin, no, living natin. We're kumbaga we are attached to these radiations. But good news because we know that there's a need, no? And we know that it is very crucial for us to ma-expose to these free radicals. That's why we would like to introduce to you our the next category leader in modern supplements. We would like to introduce LifeMax Life Protect. Wow. Yeah, no? So, and this is a LifeMax Life Protect, no? It is powered by a hero ingredient called the Himalayan sea buckthorn. So why Life Protect is different from other supplement? Because this Life Protect, it is an advanced antioxidant support, gut-brain immune connection, cellular defense and recovery, cognitive and mental clarity support, modern lifestyle protection. Kaya talagang holistic na yung kumbaga yung benefit niya. Ayan. Okay. And even yung in 1960s, 1980s, even the Russian and Chinese cosmonauts were supplementing their diet with sea buckthorn. Russian astronaut used sea buckthorn as supplement mainly because of its protective and nutritional properties, especially in the harsh environment of space. Outer space is filled with cosmic radiation and alam naman po natin kung gaano katindi yung radiation level dito sa Earth.
Validity ka ba?
Outer space it could be more times 5 or even times 10 yung penetration rate ng radiation. Ayan. Okay? So, kaya naman yung mga Soviet scientists found out, no, talagang ni-research nila kung ano yung pwedeng magprotekta during sa exploration ng mga yung mga astronaut doon sa outer space. That's why Soviet scientists found out that the sea buckthorn helps protect, eradicate, no, kumbaga neutralize the body from radiation exposure. Ayan. Kaya naman napakagaling dahil talagang pinag-aralan at talagang tines ito at they have found out na talagang malaking tulong ito to eradicate or neutralize their body against this exposure to radiation, no? Ayan. So, and it had been discovered that this sea buckthorn is packed with compounds that fight free radicals, harmful molecules produced by radiation and stress. So in space, astronauts experience more oxidative stress, so this is crucial. And with this sea buckthorn, it contains around 190 plus bioactive nutrients, kaya naman napaka-tindi, napaka-compact, napaka-lupit ng benefit na pwede nating makuha. No? Kaya naman, we could kumbaga say na itong ating Life Protect, which contains our hero ingredient na sea buckthorn, talagang holistic or it will protect us from free radicals. And ang kagandahan dito, hindi lang po pala yung mga kumbaga yung radiation or free radicals, no, ang or napoprotektahan tayo sa free radicals, yung benefit ng ating sea buckthorn. So mayroon pa po pala tong mga iba't ibang mga benefit na pwede nating ma-enjoy. So I would like to show you a video, another summary, no, regarding ano yung mga benefit kung saan makukuha itong hero ingredient natin, itong sea buckthorn.
Alam niyo ba kung saan talaga nagmula ang golden berry ng kabundukan? Ito ang sea buckthorn o Hippophae rhamnoides L. Ang orihinal na tirahan nito ay mula sa Central Asia at Northwestern Europe. Nagsimula ito sa Altai Mountains, Hilagang China at hanggang sa mga matataas na bundok ng Himalayas. Likas din itong matatagpuan sa Hengduan Mountains, Caucasus at Siberia. At alam niyo ba? Ang generic na pangalan nito, ang Hippophae, ay nagmula sa sinaunang Griego na nangangahulugang shiny horse. Ito ay dahil sa kasaysayan, ginamit itong pampalusog at pampaganda ng balahibo ng mga kabayo. Dahil sa pambihira nitong benepisyo, ang sea buckthorn ay mabilis na kumalat sa buong Eurasia. At ngayon, ito ay kinikilala at kinukultiba na sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, tulad ng Germany, sa Europa, Canada at United States. Ang sea buckthorn ay isang superfood dahil sa kaniyang walang katulad na nutritional profile. Taglay nito ang omega-3 at omega-6, ngunit ang pinaka-natatangi ay ang omega-7 o palmitoleic acid, isang napakabihirang MUFA, monounsaturated fatty acid. Ang omega-7 ay critical sa pagtulong sa iba't ibang metabolic disorders. May mahalagang papel ito sa glucose metabolism, pagpapanatili ng skin health at pagpapabuti ng liver functions, git pa sa taba. Kunurin ang bunga na ito ng iba pang bioactive compounds. Mataas na vitamin C, antioxidants, flavonoids at iba pang minerals. Ang mga compound na ito ang nagbibigay sa halaman ng kaniyang pambihirang benepisyo. Pagiging anti-inflammatory, immune boosting, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic at cardioprotective. Ang sea buckthorn ay nagtataglay ng extraordinary potential para sa kalusugan ng tao. Ito ay isang natural na kayamanan na maaaring isama sa routine therapies. Ang golden berry, matanda sa kasaysayan at may malaking pangako para sa ating kinabukasan.
Wow. And aside from our hero ingredients, sea buckthorn, our Life Protect also contains other 27 active ingredients with 12 fruits, seeds, and gut supporting sources. So ito yung mga ingredients na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect. So isa na rito yung blueberry, we have gooseberry, we have camu-camu berry, blackberry, bellberry, acai berry, goji berry, and these are tinatawag natin na mga superfood, no? Kung saan super berries that contains or high in polyphenols, anthocyanins, antioxidants, flavonoids, and also contains high in vitamin B na talagang napakaganda, napakagaling sa ating nerves, no? It strengthen our nerves, mga ugat po. Okay? And we have also pink grapefruit that will boost metabolism and aids weight management. So ako mismo, no, na-observe ko dito, pag nagtitake ka ng Life Protect, hindi ka madaling gutumin. Ayan. So we have also marigold flower, which is high in lutein, so good for the eyesight, no? Improve eyesight. We have sunflower seed, no, nasaan kumbaga vitamin E po yan for self protection. And we have also nattokinase from Japan. And ito namang nattokinase, it will act as a blood thinner po, no, kung saan ito pong mga may it will microcluster all na mga clottings, no, na nagkakaroon sa ating blood, no, blood clots yan, so caused by stroke, heart attack, and others. Ayan. So aside from this ingredient, we have also chicory root, bifidobacteria, lactobacillus, and these are mga probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics. These are good bacterias na kung saan tumutulong sa pagsuporta ng ating gut, no? And also it will help to enhance yung ating yung digestion po natin. Ayan. So kaya naman napakagaling dahil all-in-one na po dito sa ating Life Protect. Kumbaga halos lahat nandito na. And of course, yung ating pinaka malupit na ingredients, no, yung ating sea buckthorn. And talaga ako ay naamis dito dahil ito pong ating sea buckthorn, it has omega-3, omega-6, and the rare omega-7, no, for DNA repair, and omega-9. So it improves skin health, support immunity, enhance heart health, and anti-inflammatory effects, and anti-cancer. Yan. So the anti-tumor activity of the sea buckthorn can be attributed to bioactive compounds. Yan. Okay. So a new discovery, no? Ito pong ating formulation dahil kakaiba po ito, combined with all fruits and plant sources, no? Talagang napakagaling. Yan. And ito po, pinapakita po natin dito, no, as we all know na yung ating katawan po, no, nung bata pa po tayo, we are made up or kumbaga meron po tayong tinatawag natin na body's natural repair kit or yung ating natural stem cell. Ayan. But however, as we age, yung ating natural stem cell na yun po siya yung tumutulong, no, sa pagbilis ng repair, restoration, regeneration, rejuvenation, no, at saka yung talagang pag-regenerate, no, talagang ito yung functions niya. However, as we age, bumababa po ito, nagdi-deplete po ito, no. So less stem cells cytogenes, slow aging, fast aging process, no, yung it will damage also the skin. And ito yung kagandahan. Kasi alam naman natin, no, maraming nag-claim sa market, no, maraming mga talagang sinasabi nila they are somehow talagang tumutulong daw, no, na nag-increase sa production level ng kanang natural stem cell, or yung iba pa nga talagang sinasabi nila na sila po daw ay stem cells, no. And ang iba napaka-mamahal, no. But however, wala po talaga silang concrete evidence, concrete proof na talagang yun po ay napatunayan na talagang tumutulong sa pag-increase ng production ng ating natural stem cell. But you know what? We're very blessed since itong kakaibang ingredient po na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect, our hero ingredient, sea buckthorn, has somehow talagang napatunayan and they confirm, no, na talagang nakakatulong sa pag-increase ng natural stem cells. So let's watch this video.
we found that an extract from sea buckthorn berries has effects on stem cell mobilization. Sea buckthorn is a thorny shrub that grows naturally at very high altitudes in Tibet. The medicinal properties were recorded in Chinese scripts over 1500 years ago. The multitude of health effects associated with the berries also includes reparative functions. Therefore, based on our experience with medicinal plants, we looked for effects on stem cells as a unifying mechanism. Stem cells are responsible for repair of trauma and injury, as well as general maintenance and rejuvenation of organs and tissue. Stem cells need to travel through the whole body to look for tissues that are in need of repair. Blood samples were taken immediately before consuming either placebo or 500 milligram of the berry extract. And 2 more blood samples were taken at 1 and 2 hours. The blood was used for immunophenotyping and flow cytometry to quantify the numbers of different types of stem cells. We observed mobilization of several types of stem cells. To the left, you see the changes in numbers of progenitor stem cells, where a highly significant increase occurred within 2 hours after consumption. And to the right, you see minor changes for the complementary pluripotential stem cell type. Here you see results for endothelial stem cells, where a statistically significant increase in numbers occurred within 1 hour after consumption and remaining significant at 2 hours. Here you see the result for mesenchymal lymphocytoid cells, where an increase in numbers occurred within 2 hours after consumption, reaching a statistical trend. When we took into account that different people may respond at different speed, we observed significant effects on mobilization of all 4 types of stem cells. We conclude that consumption of sea buckthorn extract resulted in mobilization of stem cells involved in reparative and regenerative functions. This data may contribute to the growing understanding of the traditional uses of sea buckthorn for preventive health, regenerative health, and postponing the aging process.
Yan, wow. Kaya itong ating Life Protect, kung tayo po ay continuous at talagang kumbaga always tayong nagtitake nito, it will help talaga, no? Na talagang it will help to fasten the healing process ng ating mga karamdaman, and also it will help to rejuvenate, ayan, and talagang even kumbaga reverse your aging process, no? So sa lahat ng nandito ngayon na talagang gustong bumata, this product is good for you. It could help you reverse your aging at least 10 to 20 years younger than your age. Babata ka ng babalik yung pagkabata mo. Ayan, napakagaling. All right. And aside from it helps to boost our stem cell production, ito po yung mga other benefit na pwede po nating ma-enjoy sa ating Life Protect. Okay, so these are the major benefits po, no? It repairs damaged cells, DNA protection, mitochondrial protection, antioxidant defense, balanced immunity, supports cardiovascular health, supports hormonal balance, promotes digestive health, enhanced metabolism, enhanced sleep quality, no? Lalo na yung mga kulang sa tulog, no? Rejuvenates skin in slow aging process, boosts collagen production, promotes stem cell production, enhanced brain function, brain calming po. O yan, isa sa mga magandang benefit po, no? Helps managing diabetes, helps regulates blood pressure, promotes eye health, liver support, kidney support, prevent prostate issues, helps thyroid and goiter problem, helps relieve arthritis and rheumatism, helps vertigo, AIDS and constipation, and others. So kung may mga problema po, no, kayo na wala dito, andito po sa others. Ayan. Okay, so I have here some product testimonials, no, nung mga gumamit ng ating Life Protect. Ayan. Okay, kung kayo kanina ay nakapanood ng mga testimonials video, no, isa dito 'yon. Ito yung mataas yung sugar level niya, kaya yung sugat niya more than 3 months hindi gumagaling. But however, after taking Life Protect, no, in a week time, from 250 it goes down to 115. Wow, kaya naman yung sugat niya na talagang matagal na hindi gumagaling, after taking the Life Protect, ayan, nag-dry na at talagang naghilom na yung sugat. Alright. And we have also here another testimonial, no? Kumbaga sa mga may high blood pressure na client, no? So from 145 taking Life Protect nag 139, and after 45 minutes nag 122/78 without any taking synthetic or uh, maintenance, no, or maintenance na drug. Ayan. Kaya Life Protect lang po. Ito yung benefit, or kumbaga ito yung testimony na, no, na nag-down talaga yung blood pressure, nag-normalize. Ayan. Okay, so we have also here isa sa pinaka talagang malupit din from Cebu, no. This is a stage 4 breast cancer, no. Ayan, before. Okay, so after ilang days, no, talagang nag-ano siya, may lumabas na mga nana, then after 15 days taking Life Protect, ayan, no, yung tigas medyo nag-ano na, kumbaga nag-ano na siya, no, mas kumbaga hindi na matigas, no, kumbaga medyo ano na, anong tawag niyan sa Tagalog, no, ayan, kumbaga nag-ano na siya, medyo hindi na matigas. Ayan. Okay, so after taking the Life Protect, ayan. So ano na siya, smooth na. Ayan. Okay, so and this all benefits na na-enjoy natin with our Life Protect, ito po ay dahil sa ating product formulator. Our Life Protect product formulator, our biochemists, our research scientists, our product formulator science educator, our LifeMax Global CEO, no other than Dr. Lalaine Grace Felicitas. That's why I could say it is our edge as a company, no, na talagang meron talaga masasabi natin na pag sinabi mong Life Protect, wala kumbaga hindi mo makukuha yan or hindi mo mabili kahit saan yan. Kumbaga it is just available only in LifeMax Global. Yan, dahil yung ating formulator ay exclusively dito inalagay sa LifeMax Global ng ating CEO. Yan. Okay, so by the way, ang ating CEO or ang ating product formulator, she is also connected with the international company, no, in a group of companies. Sila po yung kumbaga ang trabaho po niya ay international regulatory compliance. Kumbaga lahat po ng mga third laboratory testing po sila kung may mga bagong formulations, no, kaya very advanced in terms of research studies, no, sa mga formulation. Talagang napaka-advanced po ng ating CEO, ng ating biochemist. Kaya meron po tayong ganito kalupit na produkto. Ayan. So, and we have our the other people behind the company. We have our COO, Sir Edward Felicitas, and me myself, the CMO, Gerson Pareño. By the way, I am nurse by profession, and also my partner here, other side, the CFO, Carol Gates, is a nurse also. No, so almost of us here are in medical field. Nasa medical field po kami. Yan. Okay, so company and product legalities, we have our SEC registration, we have our LTFDA, and we have our halal certification with our manufacturing, no? Ayan, yung product po natin. Kaya ano siya, no? Maganda po, kumbaga pwede po siya sa mga kapatid po natin na Islam. Ayan. Okay, so the question right now is magkano po yung ating Life Protect? But before that, ito pong ating Life Protect, no? Ito po ay kumbaga powder form extract po ito. We used to have a powder form extracts para mas mabilis yung absorption rate. Kumbaga what you need to do is direct to mouth intake. Ayan, so that it will absorb directly to your bloodstream, and it is also kidney safe. So unlike with the capsule, yung mga capsule, no, hindi natin alam, baka medyo they use the synthetic capsules, no, talagang hindi madalis matunaw. Whereas with this product, sa bibig mo pa lang tunaw na, no. And yung isang sachet natin, it contains 3,000 milligrams. And therefore, sa isang sachet natin, it is equivalent para ka lang nag-take ng 6 na kapsula, 6 capsule, no. So yung ating isang box ay mayroong napapaloob na 14 sachet po sa isang box ng ating Life Protect. Kaya naman, yung equivalent niya, kung sa capsule yan, it most likely equivalent to you're just taking around 84 capsule. The good thing with this is wala siyang binders, unlike with the capsule, may binders po yan. No? Dito, walang fillers, no junk. These are all pure freeze-dried molecules. No? And kanina, 'di ba, nakita nyo naman talagang yung mga ingredients na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect ay di rin basta-basta since lahat po ng mga raw mats, mga ingredients ay galing pa sa mga iba't ibang bansa, no? We have berries, no, na galing sa North America. We have our nattokinase from Japan, no, yung ating kumbaga yung gooseberry natin, no? And other na mga ingredients, no? Talagang iba't ibang galing sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, no? And we could say talagang premium po 'yan. And sabi nga ni Doktora, and even yung mano po natin, sabi nila, no, na yung ating Life Protect, we could, since these are all premium, no? And talagang napaka galing. Okay? So kumbaga prestige pa, no? Kumbaga yung ating produkto, we could sell this one, or we could price this one as much as 11,200 or 11,500. But of course, we didn't do that since gusto nating maraming makapag-take, maraming makapag-enjoy, maraming makapag-benefit ng ating Life Protect. That's why instead of pricing it for 11,200, we just price it for only 2,500 per box, no? Ayan po ay ang ating suggested retail price pag hindi ka pa member, no? But good thing with our LifeMax Global kumbaga membership, no? Sa isang box pa lang automatically member ka na, no? You just only buy for your personal consumption, automatically member ka na. Kaya on the next round mo, no, purchase mo, may discount ka na. Ayan. Okay, so okay. Okay. So make money with LifeMax Global. How to be a business associate, no? Ayan. So with our with LifeMax Global, wala po tayong registration fee dito. Just simply purchase product package to retail or purchase for your personal consumption. No quota or mandatory maintenance. Business with no boundaries. Ito ang malupit, no? Dahil ito po yung ating system po ay real-time commission, daily payout. So pag encode mo pa lang, automatically it will reflect to your dashboard since every one of us, every member has its own dashboard, no? Meron po tayong individual ba dashboard. So lahat ng mga commission natin, every time may mga purchases po, it will automatically generate, no, as we encode, no, magge-generate agad yan and we can withdraw right and then, no? Ayan, daily payout. So generous compensation program, unlimited income potential, claim products every renewal once capping is reached, free trainings and support system, no prepare, trip incentive, and travel rewards. Ayan. Our offer, we offer premium products, ultimate comp plan, and rewards and bonuses. Ayan. So as a LifeMax Global Business Associate, you can be any of the following. You could be a consumer, you could be an entrepreneur, or both, no? Pwede ka ring mag-consumer and entrepreneur. Ayan. So how to become a business associate? Simple lang. Just choose any of these 5 business packages. Pwede kang mag-join with these 5 business packages, no? So eto, no? Ito, like for example, itong ating isang box, no, ng ating Life Protect, no? So that's 2,500. Okay, yung core pack natin, ayan. 2 boxes, we have Pro Pack, 4 boxes, we have Master Pack, 16 boxes, and we have Infinity Pack, 40 boxes. Ang kagandahan dito, kahit na light pack ka lang, no? As you do your business, you do the business, you build your network, no? Lumalaki yung income mo automatically, no? You will be you can be from light pack upgrade to Infinity Pack. Mamaya i-explain ko mamaya, no? Okay. So 5 ways to earn po tayo, no? 5 ways to earn LifeMax dollars and you can also get products for free. Okay. Ayan. So number 1, we have our outright commission. Ayan. So Life Protect, yung ating suggested retail price is 2,500. Pag member ka na, 2,100. Kaya automatically mayroon kang outright commission every time mayroon kang ma-refer, no? So purchase nila 2,500, 2,100 yung remittance mo, automatically yung 400 pesos outright mo yon. Ayan. What if, no? Pag mayroon kang dalawang box, so times 400 sa isang araw, pag makabenta ka ng dalawang box, sa outright pa lang ha, we're just talking about the outright, no? Mayroon kang 800. Pag nakabenta ka ng 4 na box, so mayroon kang 1,600. Kung malupit ka talaga magbenta, 20 boxes isang araw or 8,000, no? 40 boxes, meron kang 16,000. Sa outright commission pa lang yan. Ayan. Okay. So, yung second way to earn natin, ito yung referral commission. And itong yung referral commission, ito yung maganda dahil aside from your outright, mayroon ka pang referral commission, and itong referral commission, it will be generated to your dashboard. Okay. So, dito ay papasok sa inyong dashboard yung mga dolyares, no? Dollars po, no? Kikita po tayo ng dollars dito. Okay? So, ito naman, it will be depending sa ating package na kinuha. Like for example, light pack ka. Okay? Nakapag-refer ka ng isang box, aside from your outright commission, meron ka pang referral bonus sa light pack na $4. Yan, papasok sa dashboard mo. Pag kurpa ka naman, every box na ma-refer mo, meron kang $5. Pag pro pack ka, $6. Pag master pack ka, $7 every box. Lahat na ma-refer mo, $6 every box, no? Pag infinity pack ka, pag ito yung the goal is to become infinity pack, no? Dahil pag once you are an infinity pack, 40% po yan, no? 40% yung referral bonus aside from your outright commission. O yan. So, every box, meron po kayong referral bonus na $8. No? What if, nakapag-refer ka ng infinity ka, so 40 boxes yun. So, 40 times 8. Ayan, meron ka $360. Ayan, yun ang kagandahan doon. Ayan. On the third way to earn, ito yung ating pairing bonus or matching bonus. No? 20% of the point value, no? 20 PB yung ating every box, no? Every time na may ma-detect na may isang box sa left mo, another one box sa right, meron po kayong $4 every match. Ayan. Okay, so how it goes, like for example, ito, no? Binary plan bonus natin. Pag may isang box sa left mo, isang box sa right, meron kang $4. Pag may dalawang box sa left, may dalawang box sa right, $8. Dalawang match po yan. Pag may apat ka na pro, apat ka na box, apat ka box sa kabila din. Okay, so that's 4 match or $16. Okay, kung mayroon kang 16 box on the left, 16 box on the right, or master on the left, master on the right, mayroon kang 64. Pag infinity ka, 40 bucks on the left, 40 bucks on the right, 40 matches po yan, 160. So, down the line po yan. Basta every match, meron kang $40. In a way, we are computer-generated system, so nothing to worry. No, yung ating pag ano niyan, pag kumbaga, it will automatically generated sa system mo, yung calculation niyan. Ayan. Okay, so maximum income potential ng ating per package, okay? So it will be based on package, no? Like for example, yung light pack mo, yung maximum na pwede mo kitain is $300 or 21,000. Yung core pack naman is $600 or 42,000. Yung pro naman is 3,600 or 250,000. Yung master is 7,200 or $500,000. Infinity, $12,000 or 840,000 in peso yung pwede mong kitain. The question right now is, kailan po ba ito kitain? Monthly po ba ito? Okay. So it could be monthly, it could be per week, per day, per hour, or even per minute. So depende po sa lakas ng group sales po ninyo, left and right, no? Yan. So depende kung kailan niyo gusto. No? So depende sa ano niyo, no? Sa pag-workout po ninyo. Ayan. Okay. So how to upgrade my account? An account accumulatively upgrades every time capping is reached. Okay, ganito po siya, no? Like for example, take note, every time na mayroon po tayong earnings, 10% of our earnings will be segregated, automatically segregated, mapupunta po siya sa ating upgrade. Okay, savings po siya na mapupunta sa ating upgrade. So how it works, like for example, light account ka. So yung light account mo, ang maximum na pwede mong kitain is $300 or 21,000. Pag umabot ka na, nakapag-accumulate ka na ng $300, may nasi-segregate po dyan na $30. So what you will do is just click it, then you will have $1. Pag the time na mag-click ka, $1, then ang kagandahan dyan from light account, it will upgrade your account to core account. So of course, si upline kikita din ang referral bonus. Ayan, so $1 yan. So income cap naman ng core account is $600 or 40,000 pesos. So repurchase mo, meron kang kumbaga naka-segregate $60 dyan. So you click it, repurchase yan, meron kang 2 box. So this time around, you will be upgrade to pro account, no? Ayan, from income cap, yung pro cap, yung pro account mo, so 3,600, 250,000. Then yung na segregate dyan is 360. 360, that's around 12 boxes po yan. 12 boxes, no? Okay, so from pro account, your account will be upgraded to master account. So dito naman, yung income cap, 7,200 or 504. Yan, pag click mo na naman yan, it will make you an infinity account. So dito, yung sinabi ko kanina, kahit light account ka lang, you could be an infinity, pwede kang ma-upgrade to infinity account. Okay? So, the power of 3 global accounts, yung ating LifeMax Global, we could have as much as 3 accounts. Ayan. So, you could start from 3 Lite. So, you could start from 3 Core, 3 Pro, 3 Master, 3 Infinity. So, it's up to you guys kung saan nyo gustong mag-umpisa. No? Depende po sa inyo yan. No? So, if ever you've decided na you want to do this on the next level talaga, you want to make it big time, so gusto mong umpisahan yung negosyo mo dito sa LifeMax with 3 infinity account. Ayan, 3 infinity account. So what you need to do is next is get 4 leaders, no? Get 4 leaders that will also do the same. Na target din, no? Apat na will do the same na sa ginawa mo na tigta 3 infinity din. Ayan. Okay, so let's see what's the maximum or the potential income for doing this. Okay, on the level 1, kung makompleto mo yung first 4 mo, ayan. So kung makompleto mo yung first 4 mo, yung income potential mo is 224,000. So yung apat mo na tagtatalong infinity, what you will need to do is teach them, train them, empower them that they will also do the same. Duplicate the system, no? Sa yung apat, each of them will get 4. Maging 16 infinity yan. Then this time around, you will be earning 268,000. On the level 3, you will be earning 537,000. On the level 4, naging 256 yan. Naging 1 million yung kikitain nyo dyan. On the level 5, 1,024, naging 2.1 million. On the level 6, no, from 1,024, naging 4,096. This is the power of duplication. The power of leverage. No? So, kahit nag-umpisa ka lang sa apat, no, dyan, abot yung mag-duplicate yan. Okay? So this time, you will be earning 4.3 million. So in total, in just 6 level alone, 8.5 million. Kaya naman, napakaganda or napakagaling, napakalaki ng opportunity we have with LifeMax Global. Ayan. Okay. So, fourth way to earn. Malapit na po tayo. No? So on our fourth way to earn, we used to have this repurchase program instead of Unilevel, para wala po tayong maintenance. So what you will need to do is, ganito po siya, how it works. Like for example, if you're an infinity account, no? So every time mag-repurchase po kayo, okay, you will have a repurchase. Yung kitain nyo, kumbaga, yung kikitain nyo na referral, no? Papasok po yung sa personal dashboard nyo, so, sa personal account nyo po, no? If you click the repurchase, yung referral na yun, no? Yung points na yun, papasok sa personal dashboard mo. So, yung upline mo, ang mangyayari dyan, every time mag-repurchase ka, yung point value, aakyat ngayon yung ka-upline. Pag nasa weak leg ka ni upline, it will match now to the strong leg of upline. Kaya naman dito, ito yung kagandahan ni LifeMax. Every time na may bagong member, bagong nag-member, you have the chance na pwede kang mag-pairing bonus. Every time na mag-upgrade, may chance ka pa rin mag-pairing bonus. Every time na mag-repurchase, another chance naman na mag-pairing bonus. Kaya na dito, ang dami. Every time may mga upgrading, repurchase, no, encoding, talagang tatama si upline. Papalo ng binary. And ito yung other side din, no, itong kumaga other scenario, what if you have 3 accounts. Ito yung kagandahan ng 3 accounts. Sa 3 accounts, okay, dito pwede kang pumili kung saan mo like for example, dito 3 account mo, yung sa kabila mo, 3rd account is strong leg, no? So kung gusto mo mag-repurchase, punta ka doon sa weaker leg, no? So doon mo i-repurchase. Pag repurchase mo niyan, papalo yan ngayon, aakyat sa iyo. Yan. So yun kaganda. Okay? So plus meron ka pang referral bonus. So dalawa, no? 2 hits yung tatama sa iyo. May pairing bonus ka pa, merong referral bonus pa aakyat sa iyo. So referral bonus goes to your main account for every product package repurchase. So referral bonus depends on the entry package. Ayan. All right, no? And dito payout percentage, cash out 80%, capping 10%, redemption 10%. So we want that every member, every leaders, every distributors will be a product of our own product. Kaya naman gusto nating meron talaga tayong personal for our personal consumption talaga. Yan. Total of 100%. Yan. So by the way, you can convert your redemptions to product. Okay? So last but not the least, we have this leadership bonus. And ito namang leadership bonus, actually sa first 4 ways to earn pa lang, talagang panalong-panalo na, no? Kumbaga etong 5th way to earn natin, add-on na lang to, no? Add-on na lang to. And ang kagandahan sa add-on natin, okay, sa ating leadership bonus, wala po tayong time frame. Ayan. Wala po tayong reset. And these are all accumulative. Accumulative po ito, no? And ang kagandahan dito, it will be based on your income. So, no requirements na talagang kailangan mong yung leader mo dito sa kabila, yung leader mo sa right, no? Mag-achieve ng ganito. So, dito walang requirements na ganun, but what we lang is kailangan lang ng direct sponsor na requirements lang, which is controlled natin, but yung leader na hindi natin control yan, but here controlled mo lang yung madirect mo, no? Okay, so dito like for example, pag naka-accumulate po kayo ng 2,500, then meron kayong 2 infinity direct. Kahit na yung infinity kahit yung direct niyo, kahit nagsimula yan sa light na nag-upgrade to infinity, pasok pa rin po yan. So from quartz ambassador, from 2,500 naging quartz ambassador po yan, no? So this time around you will be receiving a smartphone or any gadgets worth 15,000. From 2,500 naging 5,000, you will be amethyst builder, and this time you will have a local travel incentive going to El Nido. That would be 4 days and 3 nights plus $150 product redemption. Then from 5,000 naging 10,000, Emerald Manager. Okay, so meron kang car plan, down payment for your car plan plus $300 product redemption. And then from 10,000 naging 25,000, you will be a rank as a Sapphire Executive. Then trip to Thailand, good for 2 po yan, 5 days and 4 nights. Then from Sapphire Executive naging Ruby Crown po kayo. Japan or South Korea po yung reward nyo. Yan, 6 days and 5 nights po yan. Then, from Ruby Crown, naging Diamond Supreme. Pag Diamond Supreme, you have the chance to have a reward of Rolex, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, or Hermes, no? So, depende po yan, no? Pili na lang po, isa-isa. Okay? Here in LifeMax Global, no, hindi lang po tayo just, kumbaga, will be kumbaga mag-stay sa pagiging distributor, but you have the chance na maging shareholder ng company po. Yan. So we have a junior share. So as a junior shareholder, okay, so you have syempre of course hindi pwedeng shareholder ka na wala kumbaga naglalakad ka lang, no? Okay? So dito bibigyan ka ng ano mo ng car plan mo na Montero Sports or any SUV, no? Na will do, no? SUV like Fortuner or yung ano ngayon, no? Mga e-car, mga hybrid cars ngayon, pwede yan. Mga BYD, ganun. Then, senior shareholder, company share plus housing plan. And last but not the least, the major shareholder, aside from your profit sharing, ma-enjoy mo yung profit share mo, you will be also be given an incentive travel going to Europe. That would be 12 days and 11 nights. Good for 2 po yan. Ayan. Alright. So kaya napaka lupit ng ating program, no? And wait, there's more. For in 3 months promo, no? Mayroon po tayong promo. We would like to give you a promo, no? For these 3 months program natin, no? So ito po yung kumbaga what we call this kumbaga luxury escape, no? Luxury escape, LifeMax Global Luxury Escape promo going to, let's watch this. Okay, yan. Wow! Yes, very exciting, no? Itong ating LifeMax Global Luxury Escape promo to Dusit Tani Lubi Plantation Resort. So ito po ay located sa Davao de Oro. So if kayo po ay nasa sa Luzon and Visayas, no? Kumbaga if hindi pa po kayo nakapunta dito sa Mindanao, no? Especially dito sa Davao, no? So this would be the one chance to you, no, talagang to experience this amazing promo we have with LifeMax Global, no? So ang kagandahan dito, ito pong Dusit Tani ay isa sa mga luxury resort po dito sa Mindanao. And we could say pag sinabi mo kasi Dusit Tani, ano yan kumbaga one of the best, or we could say 5-star resort, no? Talagang it's an island, no? Island po 'yan, no? Na pupuntahan po natin. Okay, so to experience this, no? What you just need to do is very simple lang po. Simple lang po talaga, no? Sa lahat ng mga taga Team Mindanao, what you need to do is just direct 45. You just direct or cash purchase, no? Mag-direct ka lang ng mga or mag-sponsor ka ng mga total sponsor of 45 boxes, no? It's whatever no, kumbaga whatever packages na kinuha yan. Like for example, pag 1 box or light pack, 1 points po yan, 1 points. Pag core naman is 2 points po yan. Pag pro is 4 points. Then we have master 16 points po yan. Then we have we have what we call this ang ating infinity, ano yan? 40 points po yan, no? So ito is you just direct 45 boxes, no? Accumulative package, direct cash purchase to the office, no? Then you will be qualified for our luxury escape promo. So sa Team Mindanao po yan. And dito sa Team Visayas and Luzon, so dito naman 55 boxes. Bakit? So here 55 boxes accumulative package, the same pa rin, no? 55 na i-enroll niyo po or mag-direct po kayo, cash purchase, direct to the company. So, kumbaga ang mangyayari dito, no? So, ito 55 boxes, lahat po ng mga kumbaga kasali na po dito yung ating airfare, no, sa Team Mindanao Visayas, Team Visayas and Luzon, including na po dito yung airfare nyo, accommodation, no, dito sa hotel natin. So with 55 boxes, ayan, you will be experience the luxury escape to Dusit Tani Lubi Plantation. Ayan, from Davao de Oro po yan, no? So it had been started on June 13, then it will end the promo on September 30. So bagong-bago, fresh po pa lang, no, yung nung Saturday po ni launch natin, no. So yung ating luxury escape will happen on October 17 and 18 po yan. Ayan, so overnight stay po yan. So kaya naman talagang magandang experience po ito sa lahat, especially yung mga leaders natin from Visayas and Luzon na hindi pa talaga nakapunta dito sa Mindanao. And even yung taga Mindanao, somehow yung mga leaders dito hindi pa talaga na-experience nila yung isa sa luxury resort, no, kahit na dito yan sa Mindanao, but of course it's around almost 2 hours 2 hours ride, no, sa papunta doon sa talaga yung sa mismong departure area, no, kasi may may speedboat yan, no, dadalhin tayo sa speedboat doon sa island ng Dusit Tani. Ayan. All right, so very simple lang po talaga yung ating promotions, no? Kaya naman napakagaling po nito, no? Okay, so but before we'll end, I would like to share, no, to you yung ating Stocky Ship program, lalo na sa mga leaders dito, sa mga guests po natin na they are looking kumbaga somehow na mag-center sa kanilang area. Okay? So ito po yung ating Stocky Ship program, no? So we have sub-stockies 250,000, yan. So yung ating inclusion, we have Infinity Pack, isang Infinity Pack, 1 Master Pack, 2 Pro Pack, 4 Core Pack, 8 Light Pack with rolling inventory of 80 boxes, total product worth of 336,000 in peso. So lahat ng mga sub-stockies natin, they will be enjoying repeat purchase of 100 peso per box every repurchase. So dito mayroon po tayong one event, no? 10,000. Then ito yung kagandahan. Okay? Lahat ng makakuha ng sub-stockies, all right? Aside sa referral fee po ninyo, you will be enjoying a finder's bonus of 15,000 cash plus product support of 10,500 peso worth. And ito pang malupit. Ito lang for 3 months. Lahat po ng makakuha ng sub-stockies aside sa finder's bonus, product supports, referral bonus, you will have also the chance to enjoy the luxury escape promo to the Tani. Yan, no? Ayan. So kaya talagang kumbaga kayo rin na natin ang grabe ang benefit na ma-enjoy ng finders, kumbaga makakuha ng sub-stockies, no? Ayan. All right. So sa City Stockies naman, okay? So sa City Stockies, okay, we have 2 Infinity Pack, 2 Master Pack, 4 Pro Pack, 8 Core Pack, 16 Light Pack. Then of course, when you are a City Stockies, you will be exclusively the city stockies of that particular city. So wala na, hindi na natin yan. Mayroon tayong mayroon tayong kontrata po dyan na talagang it will be exclusively to you, no? Yung particular city na kinuha niyo po, no? Then lahat po ng mga lahat ng mga sub-stockies under second repurchase, pwede po silang kumuha po sa inyo. Then ito, yung ang ma-enjoy po natin, no? You will be enjoying Stockist benefits, $200 every repurchase. Ayan. Plus, meron silang two event, 20,000 worth. And ito yung kagandahan. Lahat mong makakuha ng City Stockist, may aside from your referral bonus, you will be enjoying Finder's bonus 30,000 cash, plus product support worth 21,000 pesos, plus an experience luxury escape promo going to Dusit Thani. Ayan, including po yan sa lahat ng makakuha ng City Stockist. Yan, kaya naman, no, kumbaga, this is it, no, talagang this will be just in 3 months time, kaya naman, let's do this, kumbaga, let's let's intensify yung ating intention natin na talagang makakuha ng mga stockies at saka sub-stockies at saka city stockies. Okay, so kaya naman if you think na this opportunity is napakaganda simulan and this is the right time, the right company and the right product, and syempre of course and the right decision is talagang ito yung masasabi ko lang, let's decide, no, let's do it, and kumbaga let's work it out, no. So once again, I would like to thanks all the leaders na nandito ngayon sa ating Zoom presentation, no, especially the leaders from Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao, and to our guests, no, na ito yung first time nila na mapakinggan po itong opportunity na ito. So thank you very much and God bless us all po. So sa lahat ng mga questions, no, you could approach your uplines, no. Communicate with your uplines. Kung mayroon po kayong mga katanungan or any clarification, contact them, no. Then kumbaga inform your upline paano maumpisahan, meeting po kayo, no, kumbaga discuss it, no, kung umpisahan na natin, no. Ayan, so and thank you, no. So once again, maraming salamat po sa lahat and back to you, Coach Bernie Mariano. Thank you po.
Wow! Thank God for our game-changing product and our very generous comp plan. As per Cap Gerson's tip and advice, the real key is maximizing your account by getting up to maximum of 3 accounts. Who will get 4 leader accounts under them is the key. And based on low probability, sabi nga ni Cap, ayan, you can earn up to 8.5 million on the 6th level. Pero kunin lang natin ang 10% ng 8.5 million. Pwede ka palang kumita ng potential income na 850,000. Kung hindi ka masaya sa 850,000, kunin mo pa yung 10% ng 850,000. At least you will get an income potential of 85,000. So with that, we thank our beloved Chief Marketing Officer, Captain Coach Gerson Pareño, and of course to all of you dear partners and guests for coming over. That's about it, ladies and gentlemen. See you on our next exciting Zoom meeting this coming Friday. Basta every Tuesdays po tayo and Fridays. And to God be all the glory.